Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome back to our future channel. Today let's see Indian Acalypha's ayurvedic medical use. We say in Tamil, Kuppameni. It's good for cough, cold, skin disease, face pimple. Guys, for skin disease with Acalypha add oil and apply. For face pimple, you should add some turmeric powder and apply. Now let's see how to make Kuppameni for cold and cough. First, pluck the pleasant leaf. Second, wash it well. Third, blend it well. Fourth, from the strainer, take the juicy. Fourth, add 1 spoon of pure honey and mix it well. This is the best medical for cold and cough. From 2 to 4 years can drink like this. But for elders, take spring onion, 10 black pepper seed, turmeric powder and blend it well. Strain and add 1 spoon of pure honey. Try this and give a comment. Guys, give us like and subscribe and wait for more videos. Thank you.